Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert transparent image in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu. Then go to the image and click upload from computer. Now select a picture and click open. Then click the picture and go to the image option. Then go to the adjustment and you can see here are opacity option. Now I am decrease the picture opacity. Then click in font of text. You can resize the picture big or small. You can move the picture left or right, up and down very easily. Here you can see insert transparent image in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.